Ladies and gentlemen, you guys wanted to see them. Here are the dry pieces I kept. You will notice that one of them is not here. One of them did not quite make it. But here is the, yeah, you'll just see. You'll see what they are. So yeah. And one thing that I discovered recently is that I have a strip of LED lights, and these things react like you wouldn't believe. Almost like a black light type of feature. So I'm gonna be playing with those, and yeah, maybe I'll leave a little clip in the video so you guys can check that out. Yeah, so yeah, these are all, they are dried slightly darker than when first filmed. This one was a little bit more brighter. This one was a little bit more brighter. This one was definitely way more brighter. But well, yeah, and this one, you know what, they were all a little bit brighter. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, these 8 pieces are going to be getting a coat of resin today, and hopefully I don't screw it all up because I actually like these. So we're going to see. But for now, we are about to jump into some funky LED lit pieces. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I killed off all the lights, and yeah, I mean, I have my monitor on, so that's why there's a little bit of light, but I also have these LEDs going on right now. I only have it under the color blue, simply because, as you can see, this is the one that gives the best effect. So there we have some of the funky neon colored. This one, under different colors, you can see the red pop, so maybe I'll play with that color as well. Here's that one. This one just looks like a blue and black rose. Here are a bunch of little flowers with the little spots of something. And yeah, this one, the yellows in here are definitely, the color is excited. The color seems to want to jump out. So here in the next clip, I'm going to let the colors roll, as in they're going to start changing colors on their own. So hold on for that one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the LEDs shifting colors, and some of these will go completely dark and then others will completely brighten up. It's a crazy cool effect. I like it. See, like this just went totally dark, and then all of a sudden, wait for it, boom, some red or purple or whatever color that is. See how this one with different colors, it completely pops. Black and blue rose, and then all of a sudden, bam, it glows red. That's freaking awesome. Here we have these don't really change too much color because I don't remember using too many different colors, but yeah, it still looks cool. I like it. Whatevs. Then we got the little funky swirlies, kind of creepy looking, cool looking, creepy looking. This one, yeah, look at that red just pop. I dig it, ladies and gentlemen. This is fun. I did not know these LEDs could do this. Someone had mentioned getting a black light. I'm not even sure if they still make those, and if they do, I have no idea where I could find one. But I'm definitely gonna look because this is cool. Look at that. And then all of a sudden, bam, like a glowing heart. Tell me about it. Tell me in the comments, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me how cool this looks. Or yeah, maybe I'm just over exaggerating and you guys have seen this many times over. I know people have used black lights and glow in the dark paints before, but guess what? I haven't, so this is freaking awesome. Okay, little crazy rant over. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Like I said, these 8 pieces will be getting a coat of resin, and hopefully they will be just as funky. Definitely digging this one when the red comes out. Bam. Oh yeah, and then this one. Hello. Okay. Bye, red. Ooh, freaky. Now there it goes. I want to see it come back one more time. Come on. There it is. Nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, if you like what you see, subscribe. If you don't, you can go ahead, just leave me a comment telling me why you won't. I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want. Thank you. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, here are some pieces that will be getting some resin today. Well, hopefully. I don't think I have enough resin for all the pieces I plan to do, but I'm hoping to get at least some of them done. These will also glow and under these LED lights as well. They're kind of funky. In fact, Might as well bring this one up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a few of these small 8x10s that I will hopefully be pouring some resin on today. These LEDs are making the camera flicker a little, so I apologize for that. Mr. Woogies is being a little whiny puppy because I don't know why. You just hush, boy. And yeah, this stuff, depending on the light that it's on, I mean, it obviously, as you can see, makes some of these pieces completely glow. See if I can get all these in one shot. There we go. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Funky. Mr. Woogies, chill out, bro. Trying to record something here. And then I have a couple other pieces that I'll show you here in a second. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have some bigger pieces. I believe these are 16x9s. Here's that Dutch pour I made not too long ago. Dried pretty dark, but under these lights, man, that yellow pops. There's a green. I don't know. I think it's green. Yeah, I don't think I used yellow. But these red and blue ones, man, I'm telling you, depending on the color, look at that. It goes almost black. And then all of a sudden, bam, it glows. It glows red. Here we got another one. Look at that, completely black. And then all of a sudden, ooh la la, that's crazy. Alright, so these pieces, I'm hoping to get enough resin to cover at least 2 of these bigger pieces, but I want to cover all of the corian pieces first, just to see, you know, what they look like. So, I'm going to show you what these look like in the lights. Obviously, I probably should have done that first, but I'm going to turn on all the lights. Whoa, Nikes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for that clip if I did not do my job and edit it out. Yeah, I turned on these lights and the camera just went crazy. But here we have some dry pieces. Here is one funky one, so I can turn the camera around to get a shot of that one. Can't be high enough. We got the Dutch pour with the neon green, the phthalo blue, no, not the phthalo blue, the aquamarine blue and the Prussian blue, yeah. And we got this funky red and blue one with like little itty bitty hints of yellow just popping up here and there. But yeah, hopefully I edit this well and hopefully the resin comes out well, and yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.